Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Crafts with Suruchi. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this sunflower hair tie in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this at home by following this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified, and there are many more tutorial videos available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. So without delay, let's begin our video. If you want any other tutorial video, you can comment down below. I will try to teach you. So let's begin our video. I already make one of this, so just like let's make another one. For making this sunflower hair clip, we need to make a magic ring. Make a magic ring first. I'm using a dark brown color yarn. You can use any you prefer. I'm using dark brown color. Now make a magic ring and then chain 1. Then make 8 single crochet in the magic ring. Make 8 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 8. After making 8 single crochet, we are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring, hold it tightly and close the hole. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the first stitch of this row. Row 1, make a slip stitch. Our row 1 is completed. Now for row 2, chain 1, we are going to single crochet increase, make 2 single crochet together in one stitch, 1 and then 2 together, again make 2 single crochet together, 1 and then 2, again make 2 single crochet together, 1 and then 2, again make single crochet together, 2 single crochet, 1 and then 2. After that we are going to attach it in the hair tie. Take a hair tie and then attach it just like I'm doing. Follow the steps what I'm doing. Now after that, make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. After placing it, make 2 single crochet together again, then again 2 single crochet together, 1 and then 2, again make 2 single crochet together in this row, row 2, 2 single crochet together and then again 2 single crochet together in the last stitch also. After that, place it in the another side and then slip stitch at the first stitch of this row, slip stitch. Row 2 is completed. For row 3, chain 1. In this row we are going to make 1 single crochet and then single crochet increase. Make 1 2 1 2 pattern, 1 single crochet in one stitch and then single crochet increase in next stitch, 1 2, again 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase together, again 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet together. We are going to make all the way around just like this 1 2 1 2 pattern. Just follow the pattern and I will show you what to do next. After completing, we are going to slip stitch at the first stitch of this row, and then we are going to make chain 1 and then cut the yarn. This row is finished, so we are going to cut the yarn, cut it, pull the yarn and then tighten it. Our sunflower base part is ready, middle part is ready. Just cut the magic ring loop, extra loop. Make another one of brown color just like that. In first row make 8 single crochet, then second row 2 single crochet all the way around, and then in third row 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet to increase, just like we did before. Now we are going to make the sunflower petal part. For the petal part, take yellow color yarn and then place it, insert your hook in this stitch of this part and then in the another part together. Any stitch, you can take any stitch, and then pull the yellow color yarn from that, both stitches, pull the yellow color yarn and then chain 3, 1 2 3. We are going to make, don't make it like that, sorry, I made a mistake. We are going to make double cluster crochet in the next stitch. Make for this, just follow the step, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is double cluster crochet. Make 3 together in the same stitch. After that, make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3, then slip stitch in the next stitch. Make a slip stitch, again make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3. We are going to make 3 double cluster crochet together. For this, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After making 3 double cluster crochet, make 3 chains and then slip stitch in the next chain. We are going to repeat this pattern all the way around in this row for making the sunflower petals. We are going to make chain 3 in this stitch and then 3 double cluster crochet together in the next stitch, and again 3 chains and then slip stitch in the next stitch. Again make 3 chains and then make a double cluster crochet in the next stitch, 3 double cluster crochet together to keep the petal shape, and then again 1 more, then again 3 chains, 1 2 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Make this all the way around in this row to make the sunflower petal, and I will show you what to do next. Just repeat the pattern all the way around in the circle. This is the last petal I am doing. This just same as we did before. Make a petal with 3 double crochet together, just like I'm doing. 2 and then 3, then chain 3, 2, 3, and then slip stitch in the last stitch. Make a slip stitch. Sorry, it's a little difficult, so you need to be extra careful while doing that. Slip stitch, make a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. We are going to cut the yarn because our sunflower hair tie is ready. Just cut the yarn, pull the yarn and tighten it. As you can see, our sunflower petal is also ready. Now we are going to weave the yarn ends by the help of yarn needles. Weave the yarn ends with the help of yarn needles. Just follow the steps what I'm doing right now. You can cut it, but I'm hiding it to get it more extra security and more perfect. Just repeat the pattern, follow the steps what I'm doing. As you can see everyone, our sunflower hair tie is ready. It's so easy and beginner friendly tutorial. By following this tutorial video, you can easily make this at home. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. If you want any other tutorial video, comment down below. I will teach you how to make this and upload a video about this. So there are many other tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch it. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.